Hi y'all. Look, I picked up a car refrigerator by EUHOMY. I think that's how you pronounce it. But anyways, I was thinking about which type of refrigerator I wanted to use in my new camper. And so I picked this one up, and it was a pretty good deal. It was on sale. And it can act as a refrigerator, or you can put the temperature down enough as a freezer. I put a drink in here, and it's keeping it really, really cold. And up here, I'll come closer. It shows what, temperatures you should set it up on to keep certain foods. But I wanted something kind of compact. The thing I like about this one, instead of going with the traditional mini fridge, is it comes with an AC, adapter, so you can charge it in your car, which when you're traveling to the campgrounds, you can keep things cool. And if you're off-grid camping, because I have a portable generator, I can also use it with that. So I think I like it, and I was gonna keep it, but because I was going back and forth. This or a traditional mini fridge, but I like that I could use this one, or even when the camper is not in service, I could use this for personal use. So let me give you a closer look. All right. You can hear it, but it's not terribly loud. This is the control panel where you can make it go up or down. You can set the temperature down. Here's the chart. And the freezer worked good too, because I tried it as that. You can do either or. It could be a refrigerator or freezer. And here's my little drink. So it's nice and cool. It's not a terribly big compartment, but it's large enough for what I would think you would need for camping for a weekend, or even a couple of days, because I don't eat a lot of meat, so I wouldn't have a lot of things to put in it. This is the bag. Then we have the cord that plugs in there. And it comes with a little microfiber cloth and a manual. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you on the road.
This is the 12-volt, 19-quart EUHOMY cooler. Right now it is running 40 degrees Fahrenheit and pulling 53 watts to maintain that temperature. It holds 19 quarts, which is a pretty fair amount of food, but space does get limited in here, as you can see. Going from 0 to 40 degrees, it will use a fair amount more watts than 58. There's some nice cup holder features in the top that are not too deep, so they don't protect your cups from falling over while driving in my situation. However, they would be great for the beach or something like that. This surface is another nice little surface to catch some water or dew or something, or condensation, I mean, from your drinks. Overall, it fits in between the two spaces in my car very well, which will not be everyone's purpose, but the cord is down there and runs into a standard 12-volt outlet like that. But that is not the cord itself. Yeah, overall, you can adjust it. You can do Celsius or Fahrenheit, and it's really easy to use. I'm not quite sure why you would plug something into that, but if you wanted to use the USB, you can do that too. Yeah, it serves my purpose as well. None of my food has gone bad, and it's been serving me well for over 100 days. Nothing has changed about its operating skills.
This is the EUHOMY 19-quart refrigerator. It's on eco mode, and on eco mode it's only pulling 2 watts of power, so it's really good. There's not much room inside, but it's perfect for what I need it for. It's not tall enough. The 19 quart isn't tall enough to fit like a half a gallon of milk, but it's pretty cold. It's very humid here, very, very humid, so that's why there's some moisture on the inside. But it's not bad at all, and that's to be expected. But you can see it's pretty dang cold. 40 degrees gives you ice, and the refrigerator will tell you what temperature to keep everything at. So fits a lot of things. This is the smallest one, and I really like it. So I'm gonna say 5 stars. 5 stars.
Let's review of this EUHOMY. A real horrible experience. There's obviously a used unit. Cosmetic damage everywhere. No power cord. This is everything that came with it. It seems fine, but it's obviously used. It's moist for some reason. Emailed the company, they don't care. They told me to look harder for the cord. That is non-existent. Don't purchase this product. Waste of money and time. Doesn't come with the battery either, doesn't come with anything. It was literally just this. Not even a pamphlet or anything.
This is the portable fridge. As you can see, it's unplugged right now. Unplugged. I'm going to plug it in. It comes on for a second, and then it goes off. The green light on the electrical cord is on. Nothing works. If you press these buttons, nothing happens. No compressor sound. Nothing.
Catch me when I fall. Hey, good morning, Spirit FM family. In just a few days, the 4th of July holiday is going to be here.
Whenever you're cooling, if you are going to take it out camping, I do recommend getting it to your desired temperature the day before you head out.
Okay, I put this ice chest, well, cooler, refrigerator, 12 volt, in between the seats of my 2002 GMC Sierra. Works great, man. Anytime you're stuck in traffic or something like that, or anytime really, you got a cold drink right in the middle.
This is the EUHOMY electric 12 volt cooler with battery backup. It's great for camping or for when you lose power. It's a well form factor, decent quality, keeps the food cold. It's a great thing.